crispy and crunchy and flavourful. You're going to love these quinoa crackers, so go get that bag of quinoa from the pantry and let's get going. Now to about 135 grams of rinsed and drained quinoa, you'll be adding some water and some chia seeds and baking powder and some vinegar. You're going to whisk that up for about 3 minutes until you get a really nice thick and gooey consistency. It'll be grainy and it might look a bit like cement, something like this. Spray the surface of your wax paper with some oil so that your mixture doesn't stick to it. Go ahead and use your spoon, the back of the spoon, or a cake spatula to spread out your mixture evenly. And you're going to pop that into your oven until the one side cooks. What you'll do then is you'll remove it, flip it over and pop it in there for another 5 to 8 minutes or until it looks like this. Now the cracker base isn't flexible enough to make wraps out of it, but if you want to see how I make the gluten-free quinoa wraps that are soft and flexible just like you see down there, I'll put the link in the description down below. So go ahead and start slicing up the quinoa cracker base. And when you've laid them out flat, spray them with a little bit of oil and then you'll just need to season them. So I've used garlic, salt and rosemary, but you could use whatever you like. You're going to pop these back into the oven until they're cooked. Do remove the ones that are done first because they will burn otherwise. Oh, nice snapping, cracking sound there. And a whole bunch of munching. Look, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.